Hello everyone. Let us discuss this mathematics Olympiad question involving logarithms. There are two positive integers a and b which are missing in this logarithmic equation, and after solving this logarithmic equation you have to find the possible values of a and b, and we have to find their sum, and the possible values of a and b which you will find, you have to find the sum of all possible combinations, whatever the values that you will get. This is our question. So to solve this question, we will first use the basic property of log. That is, the property is this one, that log to the base b argument a is equal to x. So a can be written as b raised to power x. This is the property we will use. So this is how you write it. So in this case, the value is here 0. So we can write it. This is the base. So the outside log we can write it as 2 raised to power 0. And this will be this value. So 2 raised to power 0 is nothing but 1. So we can write that this value is nothing but 1. So we can either apply the property like this, and we also know log of 1 is nothing but 0. So if some value of logarithm is given to be 0, we can directly equate that value to be 1. So this is how we will start the question. Now here it is 1. Now the base is 2 raised to power a. So the base raised to power x. So here it will come 2 raised to power a raised to power 1. That will be this value. So that will become 2 raised to power a raised to power 1, which can be written as 2 raised to power a only. So this is the expression that will generate here. Now we'll apply the same basic definition of log here also. 2 raised to power b power of 2 raised to power a. So this is how the expression will come. So this is the expression that will generate. Now a major problem or mistake in calculation here, which most of the people make, that is, this is power raised to power. They will not be added, they will be multiplied. Always remember this. So they will be multiplied. This is not something like this, 2 raised to power a multiplied by 2 raised to power b. If that would have been the case, the power would have been added, that is 2 raised to power a plus b. It is something like this, 2 raised to power a power b. So they will be multiplied, 2 raised to power ab. So this is an important thing, a step where most of the people make mistakes. Now we can equate the powers. B multiplied by 2 raised to power a is equal to 1000, and using this we have to find the values of b and a. Usually a question comes for a single equation and two variables. The question in this type of questions, the condition is mostly given that the numbers are integers. Here it is given they are positive integers. So this is the condition that we will apply to solve the question. So this is product of two terms. So what I will do is I will find the factors of 1000, because this is a prime factor 2. So I will find its prime factors. If you will find its prime factors, that is 5 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3. So by looking at this, I can see that I can define the value of a is equal to 3, and remaining part will be b. But we will have to take cases. First case will be this one only, that b is nothing but 125, and comparing 2 raised to power, you can see that a is nothing but 3. So that will be the first case. That is the way you can define the values of a and b. They are both positive integer. Next case, what we can do is we can change 2 raised to power 3 to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. So this is how we can write this, 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, because this is just denoting that there is a power of 2. So we'll separate this and we'll combine this 2 with 125. We can write it as 250 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Now if you will compare, you can compare that value of b is nothing but 250, value of a is nothing but 2. That is the second case. So these are the all possible cases by which we can define the values of a and b. Now next case will be what? We will separate this 2 raised to power 2 into 2 multiplied by 2. So it can be written as 500 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, because 1 2 I will multiply with 250. So now here we can compare that b is nothing but 500, a is nothing but 1. So this is the second case. Third case possible, we can find the values of a and b. So we have to find the possible values of a plus b, and we have to add them also. So we'll just add simply these values. You will get the value answer as 881. So this is how we can solve this question. So important thing to remember here is If there is a single equation and there are more than one variables, the questions are related to, given that the numbers are integers or natural numbers, mostly you have to take the cases and solve the question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.